In this video, we'll take an in-depth look at every Dale Earnhardt HO scale Tyco slot car released in the United States, starting in 1982 and the final release in 1996. First up is the 1996 release of the GM Goodwrench Service Chevy Monte Carlo. It sits on a 440X2 wide pan chassis, has the Mom and Pops decal on the quarter panel, and also has Snap-on on it. We'll take a look at the back side. As you can see, it's copyright 1996, an exploded view of the chassis. Next up is the twin pack. Same car as in the previous picture, but this comes with the Mike Skinner Super Truck. Next is the 1995 release 9112 twin pack. The Dale Earnhardt car in this twin pack is exclusive to this twin pack and was only sold at Toys R Us. The number 3s on this car are bigger than the other ones on the Lumina body. And notice that the Ernie Irvan car has Monte Carlo on the front bumper. And this body is also exclusive only to this twin pack. Up next is the 1992 to 1993 release. This is a Chevy Lumina body. It has the Mac on the front fender and does not have the front air dam. It has a 440X2 wide pan chassis. Up next is this twin pack, which includes the Dale Earnhardt Goodwrench Lumina and the Ernie Irvan Kodak film Lumina. At this point in NASCAR, they were still running the Lumina in the Cup Series. The previous twin pack that looks like this, they were running the Monte Carlo already, but they put Monte Carlo on a Lumina body. Up next is the tractor trailer release. It has the same Dale Earnhardt car as the previous two ones that we looked at, but this includes the tractor trailer which actually runs on the slot car track. Both cars have the 440X2 chassis under them, wide pans. Up next is the TCR release. It's a very similar body and paint scheme to the last three Dale Earnhardt cars we looked at, but this one has an antenna and runs on the slotless track. Up next is the Kmart exclusive slot car set. This is the first release of the Dale Earnhardt Goodwrench colors. There are two different versions of this set. All have the same artwork on the box. This is the first two cars in the earlier release, which has the hard-to-find Dale Earnhardt car with the air dam on it. This has the number 3 on the fenders instead of the Mac ones like we've seen in the previous couple of cars. And this is the later release, which they removed the air dam when the TCR came out, so they can fit the front bumper that's on the chassis underneath the body. Up next is the Dale Earnhardt Wrangler colors. This is the 1989 packaging, which is in the blister pack. This same car came in two different style packaging, and this is the later of the two. Here's the back side of the packaging with the 440 X2 chassis and 1989 copyright. And here we take a look at the paper packaging version. Same car, all the decals are the same on it. And here's the comparison of the two packaging between the paper and the blister pack packaging. And last but not least is the hardest to find of all these cars, is the Wrangler number 2 in the original retail packaging. And here's the back side of the Wrangler number 2. Well, thanks for watching.